Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how we can create resource in Google Cloud through Terraform. So I was every time I was come up the some useful content, and I was going to present in front of you through PPT, and through I was some providing some useful content through console. But I thought, why not I'll go for automation. So that's why today I plan to no I'm going to talk about the automation things like Terraform plus GCP, how it is working, how we are connecting to GCP, how we will configure, then how we'll quickly provision the resource in Google Cloud platform. So that topic in this video I'll be covering. So let's get started, and I hope this video will be helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So now let's get started, and what I am doing, just follow the process. I hope this video will be very much helpful to you. So first of all, for example, I'll configure in my local laptop. So make sure that you have to install Terraform. So, and to check Terraform hyphen version, you can check which version you have installed. So Terraform installation video I have created, and one article I have written in Medium. If you have not gone through, you can check how to install Terraform, and also how to install Google Cloud SDK in your laptop. So both thing is, if it is installed, then what we'll do, we have to create one service account. So how we'll create service account, and how we'll enforce the policy, and how we'll download the key, and how we'll set the environment variable, the key, all that point I'll explain over here. So what I have done here, I have created one automation script that will help here. So in this automation script, I have defined my project name, which region and zone I am going to provision the resource. Then create a service account. This is my gcloud command to create a service account. Then grant a identity access management policy to newly created account. So whatever service account I created, so for example, for in this demo, I just provided rule to this particular service account, rule editor. So this is the gcloud command to add the rule in this particular member. So member is nothing but a service account. So make sure you will remember that, and then download the key. Whatever the service account I have created, and binding the rule on that particular members, then download the key. And that key, this is the piece of command to download the key, and to export my key as a environment variable. This is the Google application credential. So the whole thing, it will one go it will execute. So how will execute once how to write the file and all. So let me show you. So first, you what will do, just you can use the editor in Linux VM, and then file name, then you put that script. And so let me quickly show you that one as well. So for example, VIM or VI also you can use for editor, or nano you can use. So then click enter, and this file is so whatever the file I have created, this particular piece of script. So then you just put I to insert. If you want to insert something in add-on or delete something, you can edit and delete. Then you can just put escape. Then you just put colon just to save, WQ to save, then click enter. So my file saved. Now just to run that automation script, so dot slash, then the automation script, just you can type few letters, then you can press tab, then it will display the whole name of the file. then click on enter. As soon as you click enter, so what my piece of script will do, will create service account, then binding the policy, and download the key, and export the Google application credential. It will export as a environment variable. So now everything is set. Now we'll check and to write the Terraform code. So I have written one Terraform code, so the provider is needed. So this is the piece of code is a provider, Google provider, because I want to create the resource in Google Cloud. So in provider block, just provider Google, and you can mention your project name and region, zone, you can mention over here. This is the provider block that is important and needed. Once you provider.tf is ready, then you will write a main.tf. So main.tf file, I'm just talking about Terraform now, Terraform code. So my service account is ready. Now Terraform configuration file is needed to provision the resource in Google Cloud. So my main.tf, so whenever I am going to provision a VM, so the network is needed. This is the command resource Google Compute Network, and my network name is private net. This is the resource type and resource name. This is resource type and this is resource name, and my name of the resource, my VPC name is private net, and the auto creation subnetwork is false. I don't want to create a automatic automation. I don't want to allow to create all the subnet. So this is my subnetwork division to create a subnetwork, and this is the actual part of the resource, I mean VM. So this resource, and this is the Terraform official document. The code is available, you can also follow that code. And Google Compute instance, then instance name equal to whatever name you can put. For me, I have defined Terraform instance, and the machine type you can also define as per your choice, whatever the machine type you are going to provision. Then the image, because whenever you are going to provision any resource, the image is needed. So for me, I have taken Debian Cloud and Debian 11, and the network I have selected private net self link. So my Terraform code is ready. So what I'll do, let me clear the screen, and first what you will have to do, Terraform initialize. Terraform init is the command to initialize. So everything is set. Now let me put the Terraform plan. So plan is nothing but to show me to what resource we are going to create in Google Cloud platform. Terraform plan. So Terraform plan, as you can see, it will show me what the resource we are going to create in my Google Cloud environment. So my VM will create, then the you see VPC will create. So this is the one simple demo I am just going to show you, just one creating one VPC and creating a VM. How it will create, let me show you. So just apply Terraform Terraform apply is the command to provision the resource in Google Cloud platform. It will just ask to some approval is needed, so you can put yes. So as you can see, now started. So now my network is creating, as you can see on my screen, and once network is created, then my VPC will create, because any VM if you are going to create, so some network point is needed where it will provision. So if I will not mention any network, then it will take the default network. So so now quickly verify, just once done, then I'll verify in our Google Cloud console. That part is also I'll show you. So it will take some time, I mean little bit time, because it's a very fastly it will create in my resource in Google Cloud platform. So that's why Terraform is a super powerful infrastructure as a code to provision a resource quickly. Once your code is ready, you can deploy anytime and provision resource in any time. So my as you see, just 2 resource created. So let me quickly verify whether my resource is created or not. So let me log in or already log in. Let me show you. Yeah. So first I am going to show you the service account which I have created through automation script. You can see my service account is created, and the role, the permission, the granted, that is editor, right? So and key generated, downloaded, and this is the key generated and downloaded. And now moving to the resource we just created. So you see Terraform instance I created, and let me click on that instance which I created through Terraform, and you can see so this is the network VPC created, Terraform network, and the sub network is also Terraform network name. This is the name, and network and instance is created so quickly. How quickly it is created. And one more thing I am going to show you. So once created, but also how we can quickly destroy as well. So let me show that one as well, so it would be helpful for you. So this is the one simple command, Terraform Destroy. This is a command. You can destroy the infrastructure which I created. Quickly I can destroy all thing. So yeah, just to approve, you can put the approve. That's it. Everything will be deleted in my infrastructure. Whatever I created through Terraform, that will delete. So just you can see, and I'll just quickly verify my network and my instance will not be there once it is the task is finished, then everything is gone. So yeah, it will not take much time. It will quickly, because it's a very powerful Terraform is a super awesome tools. Like every environment we can use, like AWS, Azure, on-prem, so everywhere we can use Terraform. So I like very much Terraform to create resource, because manually it will take some time. So one time, 2 times, or so training perspective it's okay, but in production or in the real work ground, so Terraform is the best infrastructure as a code to provision or delete the resource as soon as possible. So I think, yeah, so let me say deleting. So let me check quickly. Yeah, so you see, just let me refresh on the screen. You can see my resource already deleted. And same thing, like I'll check in my network as well. My network, Terraform network, it had been created through Terraform code. Now you see that name is not here, and that network VPC is also deleted. So that is all about what I cover in this video. So let me explain a little bit more from the scratch. So in your local laptop, how will install the Terraform, how will install Google Cloud SDK to communicate with Google Cloud platform, and how we'll create a service account, and how we can provide the map the role, grant the role to the service account, and how we'll download that key, and how we'll set up the environment variable, and then how we can write the Terraform code, and which command we'll use to Terraform execute and provision the resource in Google Cloud, and how we'll delete that destroy the resource. So all things I cover in this video. I hope this video will be very helpful and it is a very informative content. I hope those who are interested to learn Terraform plus Google Cloud, so it will be super helpful for them. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more content like this. Thank you. Bye bye.